Let's take a look at the way that you buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. If you have not yet invested to stocks or Bitcoin on the platform of Cash App, in today's video, let me show you the exact process. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end. And let's start the video. Open up your Cash App and then head over to the money section, which is the bank icon on the bottom left of the screen. Once you're inside of this section, you'll be able to see the option called Bitcoin. Apart from Bitcoin, you can also invest in stocks by tapping on the stocks option on the bottom right. But for this video, let's look at Bitcoin. Just tap on the Bitcoin option. In the next page, you're going to see the screen where you're going to see the price for a Bitcoin. Now, in order to buy and sell, you just need to tap on buy or the sell option right here. If this is your first time investing, tap on the buy option. Now you'll have the option of selecting the dollar amount. You can also tap on the pre-built dollar amounts. If not, if you want to add in a custom dollar amount, tap on the three dotted line right here and then type in your dollar amount that you want to buy Bitcoin of. Once you type in your order or selected the dollar amount, tap on next, and in the next screen is going to show you a few details such as the amount of Bitcoin that you're going to purchase, the exchange rate, and the total cost that you'll need to pay. Once that information is displayed, just tap on confirm and you'll successfully buy or purchase Bitcoin on the Cash App platform. Similar to buying, if you already have Bitcoin on your Cash App, you can just tap on the sell button and then choose the dollar amount of Bitcoin that you're trying to sell and then tap on next and repeat the same process as buying the Bitcoin. So that was a quick video about the way that you buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in more videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell as well.